The wind industry and how they regard digital transformation is really interesting. I think they're at an interesting time. Wind turbines are in harsh environments, they're complex machines. They spin off a lot of data, hundreds of channels of data, and they're just now getting a chance to say, okay, what can I do with the data with some of the tools that are available in the cloud through artificial intelligence, additional sensors that they want to put on the machines to assess different aspects of performance or structural integrity. Traditionally, wind operators would have folks rappel from ropes to inspect blades, take pictures. Drones allow us to get up and close, take pictures of each of the four sides, and now we can autonomously fly those drones. So it can be done in 30 minutes as opposed to shutting down a turbine for a day. Once we acquire the images, the conventional way is to have analysts look at those pictures. Very inefficient, takes weeks to get to some level of reporting so you can do something about the damage. With AI, that processing takes seconds. And within a day, we can produce the same reports that allow repair activity to start. The ultimate result is a shorter downtime for that turbine. Our customers in the wind segment utilize asset care. First, we connect to their data streams, create the virtual models, and then monitor those actual data streams. Help those customers understand what their performance could be, that's our digital twin, and then compare it with what it's actually, and then help them understand the differences and give them actionable recommendations on what to do to capture that lost production. For one wind customer who has a remote wind farm in China, we analyzed their performance data. We connected to their turbines. We noticed that one of the pitch motors on a number of turbines were not performing the way they were supposed to. In our optimization model, we expected a certain behavior. We didn't see that in reality. When you total that up, it ended up being worth about 2% of lost production. 2% is a really big number for a wind producer. For wind customers, they engage asset care in a variety of ways. Perhaps the simplest, least invasive is the inspection of their blades. And that is, we fly drones, autonomously fly drones, capture the images, use AI processing to provide a quick view of what's going on with the condition of their blades and stimulate the repair activity. Number two is really about performance monitoring. In that scenario, we connect to the live stream data and provide performance feedback, specific insights that allow operators to achieve a higher energy performance. The third way is really about connecting their maintenance ecosystem. When we identify damage on the blade, somebody has to fix it. They use tools to fix it, and often the documentation of that repair is lost. We can fold that back into asset care, making sure the data is managed so that you can continue to improve performance. Asset care is offered on a software as a service model. That means the upfront effort, this cost, the hardware potentially, the customer doesn't see those costs. What they see is one monthly subscription cost for a specific term, gives them predictability. Ultimately, it's a comparison of the benefit they get versus the subscription they pay. Maintenance in the wind industry is a big thing, not a little thing. It's not just do you do it or do you not, it's when you do it that's important. The wind isn't always blowing. You want to take advantage of that wind energy potential. For asset care, helping an operator in the wind industry understand when it's valuable, when it's time to do maintenance so there's no loss of energy performance is critical, and that's what we do.